So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing my personalized experience with LiquiMoly's TopTech 4100, which is one of the most popular aftermarket Volkswagen engine oils in the world. When I serviced my 1.9 TDI pump-duce engine, I switched to LiquiMoly TopTech 4100, and I'll leave a card to that video in case you want to see that. So to put my experience with this oil in a nutshell, it's been one of the finest engine oils I've used on my TDI engine. So my experiences about this product are based on my 1.9 TDI Jetta with a pump-duce engine and a few newer Volkswagen TDI engines like the 1.6 and 1.5 TDI, which do duty in the Polo and Vento and which are regularly serviced with LiquiMoly TopTech 4100. So the feel and performance after using engine oil will obviously vary from vehicle to vehicle, and there are sure to be both good and bad reviews of this oil. These anomalies arise because no two engines which are in use undergo the same exact wear and driving pattern. Some engines might be immaculately maintained with the correct VW approved oil specification, while some cars might not be driven and serviced very extensively. So the TopTech 4100 is a synthetic engine oil, and nowhere are they even claiming or advertising themselves as a fully synthetic engine oil. They like to call it an oil based on synthetic technology, which simply means that it has synthetic additives which offer protection against wear and also reduce oil thickening caused by dragging of soot. The TopTech 4100, which has a viscosity grade 5W40, is suitable for both petrol and diesel engines. It is also advertised to have great engine cleansing properties. Now you might say that Castrol offers Magnatec fully synthetic 5W40 oil at a very reasonable price. But there is a huge difference between entry-level fully synthetic oils and high-end quality synthetic oils. And that is precisely the reason why these oils are more expensive even though they are the same viscosity. I'll leave a datasheet in the description below so you can read more about the exact viscosity, density, flash point and other oil test parameters. The TopTech 4100 meets a lot of manufacturer approvals, and the oil company has to pay charges to the manufacturer for testing and printing manufacturer approvals of their cars, and the LiquiMoly TopTech meets the following approvals. So the spec Indian diesel TDI engines have been following is VW 5.5.01, and most of these engines did not have the diesel particulate filter. So for VW diesel engines, 5.5.01 is a key spec that you want to look out for, and a lot of entry-level 5W40 oils do not meet this grade. So coming to my experiences with LiquiMoly TopTech 4100, it does make the engine a notch quieter and a lot smoother to drive. It's definitely not a placebo effect. The engine feels remarkably more smoother and much more alive in the power band, and it's all thanks to the LiquiMoly TopTech 4100. One of my close friends is driving a 250,000 km plus Skoda Rapid 1.6 TDI, and almost half of that has been driven on LiquiMoly TopTech 4100 with no engine problems till date. Mileage for me was slightly better by about 1.5 km per liter on LiquiMoly, but I feel it's not that dramatic of a difference. The only real differences for me were the engine refinement and the smoother power delivery. When it comes to the PD engines seen on the early Skoda and the MK5 Jetta, there was an increased amount of glow-by and slight amount of oil droplets from both the engine oil dipstick and filler cap, and it felt as if the bonnet and engine were running a little hotter than before. The oil consumption though was still fairly in spec, and I only had to top up about 200 ml of oil, that too only after the 8th month of driving. It's amusing that my same engine, when running on Castrol, did not have any blow-by from the dipstick and did not throw any oil. So coming to the newer VW diesel engines, LiquiMoly TopTech 4100 works like a charm, and it remarkably improves the characteristic engine note in the mid-range and even the power delivery. It makes driving a lot more enjoyable and puts a huge smile on your face when you rev the engine. The VW authorized service centers keep changing their tie-up oils, but for the last few years they have been using Castrol EDGE OE Professional, which is made in Belgium and specifically distributed only through dealerships. It's not freely available for local retail. As per Castrol's data sheets, the Castrol EDGE OE Professional 5.5.01 is a 5W40 grade fully synthetic engine oil, and I had no complaints about this oil. For my driving of about 10,000 kilometers a year, the oil in my 1.9 TDI PD never had to be topped up, and the performance and fuel efficiency has always been stellar. Now we also get the Castrol EDGE 5W40, which does meet the VW 5.5.01 approval for diesel engines, and this is good news for all of us who want to reliably service a car outside with a VW approved engine oil. But it should be noted that this Castrol EDGE is made in India, and I've tried both of these oils, and while the data sheets are pretty neck to neck, the service center oil is actually more superior. It doesn't lose its viscosity even after a real late oil change at 16,000 kilometers within a year, while the same car on Indian made Castrol EDGE started losing its strength at about the 12,000 kilometer mark in similar driving conditions. So the two Castrol EDGE oils that I just showed you guys are very similar, but for what it's worth, they are definitely different oils. In case you want to go the Castrol route, beware of fakes, as Castrol oils are very notorious for fakes, and using fake oil can cause considerable unforeseen damages to your engine. Engine oils are the lifeblood of your engine, so be sure to be careful and make a wise choice. So most of the initial lot of the TopTech 4100 was made in Germany, and the reason you see exorbitant rates on Amazon right now is because they are getting rid of these old stocks. The newer lot will most probably be made in India and the prices might drop. You can source LiquiMoly oils right now from FlyBhp, Amazon, Flipkart, or from a LiquiMoly distributor in your city. So coming to the price, the TopTech 4100 is surely an expensive engine oil which increases your service cost. But if you are an enthusiast, or if you want to fully experience the refinement of your TDI engine, then the TopTech 4100 is definitely an oil worth a try. If you don't drive a lot, I wouldn't recommend the added expense of using LiquiMoly, but if you really want to feel the difference, then I do suggest trying it out at least once. LiquiMoly is owned by Würth Chemicals, and it's also perhaps rebranding and selling its TopTech oils as Meguin low emission oils, so you may also consider that, as there's a good chance it's the same oil that we want. So yeah, that's pretty much it about my experience with Volkswagen diesel engine oils, and I know most of you might have different TDI and petrol engines in a variety of tunes, but I still hope you found my experiences with Castrol and LiquiMoly helpful. That's pretty much it for this video guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.